The benefits of serum protein for your body. What is whey protein? Whey protein is a type of protein found in milk that is separated during the cheese-making process. It is easily absorbed and provides many essential nutrients for the body. Whey protein plays an important role in helping to regulate the balance of water and electrolytes in the body. In addition, whey protein helps transport nutrients, hormones, and enzymes, as well as supporting the immune system against diseases. In simple terms, whey protein is an essential component that helps the body function efficiently and protects health. 16 benefits of drinking whey protein. Number 1, blood pressure control. Adding whey protein to your daily diet is an effective way to control blood pressure. Whey protein not only provides essential nutrients, but also helps regulate sodium and potassium levels in the body, supporting stable blood pressure. Regular use can reduce the risk of high blood pressure, which is especially beneficial for those with cardiovascular issues. Therefore, supplementing with whey protein not only helps maintain overall health, but also serves as a natural solution for controlling blood pressure. Number 2, reduces inflammation. A great benefit of whey protein is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Whey protein provides amino acids, which are essential components that help the body recover and reduce inflammation. In addition, it helps balance inflammatory factors and supports cells and tissues during the healing process. Moreover, it aids the body in recovering quickly, reducing swelling and pain, especially after intense workouts. By regularly supplementing with whey protein, you not only help your body recover, but also effectively reduce inflammation, keeping your health in optimal condition. Number 3, promotes muscle mass growth. Whey protein can effectively promote muscle mass growth. It not only helps the body recover after exercise, but also provides essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. When you work out, your muscles need protein to recover, and whey protein is an excellent source, helping this process happen quickly and effectively. With its superior absorption rate, whey protein is immediately utilized by the body, helping you build stronger muscles after each workout. Regular supplementation with whey protein can help you achieve impressive results in boosting strength and muscle size. Number 4, supports type 2 diabetes management. Whey protein can be an effective support solution in the treatment of type 2 diabetes, thanks to its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. It helps control insulin levels after meals, thereby reducing the risk of sudden blood sugar spikes. In addition, whey protein also helps reduce cravings, assisting users in controlling the amount of food they intake. It supports maintaining weight and keeping blood sugar levels more stable. Regular supplementation with whey protein can contribute to blood sugar regulation and improve overall health for people with type 2 diabetes. Number 5, boosts the body's immunity. Whey protein plays an important role in boosting immunity, helping your body fight against pathogens. Thanks to its high content of essential amino acids, whey protein supports the production of antibodies, helping the body quickly recognize and eliminate bacteria and viruses. In addition, it also has anti-inflammatory effects, a crucial factor in maintaining a healthy immune system. Regular supplementation with whey protein will help strengthen immunity and better protect the body against harmful agents. Number 6, reduces cholesterol. Whey protein can help reduce cholesterol in the body, and this is important for cardiovascular health. When you consume whey protein, it helps improve bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels. Research shows that whey protein has the ability to regulate blood lipids, making cholesterol in the body more balanced. When cholesterol is well controlled, you reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and improve overall health. Supplementing with whey protein in your diet not only supports muscle health, but also provides excellent benefits for your heart health. Number 7, improves response to asthma. Whey protein has the ability to help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, contributing to the improvement of asthma symptoms. The amino acids in whey protein play an important role in reducing the activity of inflammatory factors, thereby preventing prolonged inflammation in the respiratory system. When inflammation is controlled, symptoms such as coughing, shortness of breath, and wheezing will decrease, helping you breathe more easily and feel more comfortable. Thanks to this mechanism, whey protein can help control asthma effectively and reduce the frequency of flare-ups. Number 8, reduces hunger. Whey protein is an excellent choice to help you control hunger and reduce cravings. Because it is digested more slowly than many other foods, whey protein helps you feel fuller for longer, thereby reducing hunger between meals and minimizing unnecessary snacking. This is the perfect solution for those who want to maintain their weight or follow a healthy diet plan, as it helps control portion sizes and naturally reduces calorie intake. Moreover, whey protein helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day, making you feel comfortable and full of energy. Number 9. Improves skin, hair, and nail health. Whey protein not only helps improve overall health, but also offers special benefits for the skin, hair, and nails. Thanks to its important amino acids, it nourishes and regenerates skin cells, making the skin softer and smoother, while minimizing issues such as dry skin or dermatitis. In addition, whey protein supports healthier hair, reducing hair breakage, making it shinier, and promoting natural hair growth. Moreover, it also strengthens nails, preventing weak and brittle nails. Number 10. Supports brain health. Whey protein is an essential source of nutrition to support brain health. It provides essential amino acids, helping to regenerate and maintain nerve cells, which in turn improves focus and memory. In addition, whey protein helps reduce stress and fatigue, creating a sense of relaxation, which enhances mood and improves work performance. By supplementing with whey protein, you are not only taking care of your body, but also nourishing a healthy brain, maintaining alertness and energy throughout the day. Number 11. Improves bone health. Whey protein plays an important role in supporting the body's production of collagen, a vital protein that helps maintain strong bones. When you consume whey protein, you not only strengthen your bones, but also support the ability to recover and regenerate after injuries. Additionally, whey protein improves calcium absorption, a mineral essential for bone structure. When the body absorbs calcium better, bones become stronger and more resilient to pressure. Therefore, to maintain bone health and prevent the risk of osteoporosis in the future, consider supplementing with whey protein. Number 12. Supports weight loss. If you're looking for an effective way to support weight loss, whey protein can be an excellent choice. It helps you feel fuller for longer and reduces cravings, thereby limiting snacking and unnecessary calorie intake. In addition, whey protein supports the maintenance and growth of muscle, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. Thanks to these benefits, whey protein helps you naturally and effectively control your weight while keeping your body healthy and active. Number 13. Improves cardiovascular health. Whey protein plays an important role in improving cardiovascular health. By reducing bad cholesterol levels in the blood, it helps lower the risk of arteriosclerosis and prevent cardiovascular diseases such as stroke or heart attacks. Whey protein also helps increase good cholesterol levels, which aids in removing plaque from blood vessels, keeping them clear. Supplementing with whey protein not only helps stabilize blood pressure, but also supports the heart to function more effectively, protecting you from long-term cardiovascular issues. Number 14. Enhances nutrient absorption. Supplementing with whey protein provides significant benefits for nutrient absorption in the body. When you add whey protein to your diet, the digestive system works more efficiently, helping the body absorb vitamins and minerals from food with ease. This allows the body to make the most of the nutrients from meals, helping you maintain energy and good health. Not only does it provide nutrition, but whey protein also improves absorption, allowing the body to function more efficiently throughout the day. Supplementing with whey protein can also aid muscle recovery after exercise, contributing to maintaining strength and endurance. Number 15. Improves kidney health. Whey protein is not only an important source of nutrition, but also has the ability to effectively support kidney health. When you supplement with whey protein, it helps maintain fluid balance in the body and supports detoxification. The combination of amino acids in whey protein can help improve kidney function. At the same time, it assists the body in processing and eliminating waste, so the kidneys don't have to work as hard. Number 16. Reduces the risk of cancer. Whey protein not only provides nutrition, but also helps protect the body from the risk of cancer. It strengthens the immune system, helping the body recognize and eliminate abnormal cells before they have a chance to develop into tumors. Additionally, whey protein helps reduce inflammation in the body, a potential factor that increases the risk of cancer formation. With these benefits, regular supplementation of whey protein will help you protect your long-term health and reduce the risk of cancer. Whey protein offers numerous health benefits, from supporting muscle growth to boosting the immune system. By incorporating whey protein into your daily diet, you can notice a difference in your overall health. However, you should also pay attention to the dosage and how you use it to ensure that your body is properly cared for.